Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I've got a big package. This is from GAN, and it is a large and heavy box. I saw, actually, I used my new doorbell camera to see that FedEx dropped something off, and I immediately texted my wife. I was like, oh, go get the package. There's something at the door. And she's like, this is really heavy. What is this? And I know what it is. I don't really know what it looks like. I've been told about it. Okay. There's something in this bag here. Oh, let's zoom out. There's a few things in here, actually. Oh, geez. A calendar. And this. We'll look at that in a second. Let's look at these two things. January, February, March. Just a nice little calendar with some fun cartoony designs on it. This might be good to put on my desk at the school because I can just set it up. Here we have another mini puzzle, and I've had a few GAN mini puzzles. This one is on a lanyard, but then we've got that GAN box. And good to know, this will not randomly come open. You need to take the lanyard off to open the puzzle up. Good thinking, GAN. And this is, ooh, there are tiles here, so no stickers are going to be peeling off. Is there a cap that can come off? Are you able to tension it? I don't know if I even want it to be tensionable. It is not tensionable. And there's no torpedo, so this is sort of a simpler design than some of their previous mini puzzles. However, it's a nice tile one. So it gives it that classic look. As much as everything is stickerless, and I use stickerless puzzles, I love that classic look. And I think, especially people who are getting into cubing, they like that classic look. I would love to see this tile thing implemented into other puzzles, like their bigger ones. And then give replacement tiles for slightly different colors. But okay, the big thing. Mosaic cube. This is a 10 by 10, 900 pixels. So that mini puzzle I just showed you, here they are. This is 10 by 10, meaning 30 pixels by 30 pixels, which makes 900. Okay, so there's a frame for this. So you can hang it up, but the frame isn't a border. They clip into here with these slots. So I could set it up, put it at an angle, and hopefully they don't fall over. Oh, is there? Yep, and there's actually a kickstand. Let me just show you right here. We've got a kickstand here. Whoop, there we go. Then we've got, sorry to do this backwards. There's a hook to hang it. Well, there's these hooks here. Okay. And then what is this right here? A thing. This is like a placement tool, it looks like. So you can put one on and then just... So you could take one of these off in the middle. There we go. And okay, that's really cool. That's good. Good thought behind all of this. Really good thought behind all of this. What was that other thing? Maybe to pry something out, it looks like. So you get some tools in here too. I've done mosaics before. So let me show you my mosaic from before. So this is an 8x8 mosaic. And I have Cubone here. The friend of mine made this frame, and actually Cubone is dedicated to him. And I'm not going to go into details with that right now. But I kept it as Cubone for a while. I've done a few different music things. So I think it's about time I do another music thing. So I'm going to make a separate video of making this mosaic. Doing something musical with it. But this GAN mosaic, this is going to be available for purchase So with it, you get 100 puzzles. Get 100 puzzles. Yeah, honestly, if you want to use it for blind solving, it technically can work. There is no minimum size for cubing. I'm going to move this to the side, and I'm going to do a solve with this to figure out how nice it turns. The fact that they are the classic design with the black border, I think makes it even nicer for Mosaic. I like that look of it. It just helps space out each pixel a little bit more. To make my designs, I draw them usually out by hand first to see what they look like. There are programs that you could use online, but they don't always work great with just this few of them. Often you need like 1,000 of these. Ooh, even just getting 3 more, suddenly you have 60 by 60 pixels, and that opens up a lot of doors. Okay, let's do a solve here, and then I think we'll call it a day with this video, and then I'll have another video with my Mosaic and music. Nope, almost did the wrong thing. And I think I'm going to orient edges before I get to OLL, so that way I could do a COLL, and I can do it. I know this COLL. And then Z-perm. Let's see if I can do the one-handed one. Yeah. Very nice. Let's put this back in here. And I will see you in hopefully the next video with some really nice Mosaic magic-y stuff and music. If you have requests, put them in the comment section below. I have 2 ideas in my head, but I don't know if they'd be good for Mosaic or good for music. One is good for music and one's good for Mosaic, but I don't know if they'd work on their own. So let me know in the comment section below if there's anything specific you want, and I will see you then.